What if a single security camera could watch two places at the same time, track intruders automatically, run on solar power, record in stunning 4K resolution, and even recognize people, vehicles, and pets without charging you a monthly subscription fee? Well, that's exactly what the new TP-Link Tapo C675D kit is trying to do. With its unique dual-lens design, crystal clear 4K image quality, 360-degree auto-tracking, solar charging, and AI-powered detection, this camera promises to deliver a smarter and more reliable home security experience. But is it actually worth it? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the TP-Link Tapo C675D kit, a solar-powered wireless security camera designed to provide full property coverage while minimizing maintenance. Before we dive into the camera itself, a quick word about Tapo. Tapo is TP-Link's smart home ecosystem and has become one of the most popular smart home brands worldwide. From smart cameras and smart plugs to sensors and lighting products, Tapo focuses on delivering easy-to-use smart home solutions with powerful features and excellent value. Now let's see what makes the Tapo C675D kit stand out from traditional security cameras. Before using a 4K security camera, one of the biggest frustrations I had with many traditional cameras was image clarity. A lot of cameras can detect motion, but when you actually need to identify a person, read a license plate, or zoom into important details, the footage often becomes blurry or pixelated. That's where the Tapo C675D kit really makes a difference. With 4K resolution, the image contains significantly more detail compared to standard HD cameras. During testing, I noticed that when zooming into recorded footage, facial details, clothing colors, vehicle information, and objects around the property remained much clearer. In real-world situations, this becomes extremely valuable. For example, if someone approaches your front door at night, you can see much more detail about their appearance. If a vehicle enters your driveway, it's easier to identify the car and capture important information. If you're monitoring a larger backyard, you can still see activity occurring farther away from the camera. The higher resolution simply gives you more usable evidence when something important happens. One of the biggest highlights of the Tapo C675D kit is its innovative dual-lens system. Instead of relying on a single camera view, TP-Link has included two lenses that work together simultaneously. The first lens offers an ultra-wide 169-degree field of view. This lens constantly monitors a large area, allowing you to see more of your property in a single frame. Whether it's your front yard, driveway, backyard, or patio, you get a much broader perspective without needing multiple cameras. The second lens is a pan and tilt camera, capable of rotating 360 degrees horizontally. When motion is detected in the wide-angle view, this lens automatically locks onto the subject, follows their movement, and zooms in for additional detail. So while one lens watches everything, the other focuses on what matters most. This significantly reduces blind spots and helps capture critical events more effectively. Security footage becomes much more useful when the camera can actively follow movement. As soon as a person, vehicle, or other moving object enters the scene, the tracking lens automatically follows the target across the monitored area. Instead of simply recording motion, the camera keeps the subject centered in the frame, allowing you to clearly see what's happening. This can be particularly useful for monitoring driveways, entrances, larger yards, or business premises. Another major advantage is the included solar charging solution. According to TP-Link, just 90 minutes of sunlight can provide enough energy to keep the camera running continuously. The built-in battery can last up to 3 months on a single charge, helping the camera stay operational even during extended cloudy weather. That means less maintenance, fewer charging interruptions, and a more reliable security setup year-round. Simply install it once and let the sun do most of the work. Most security cameras switch to black and white footage at night. The Tapo C675D kit takes a different approach with STARLIGHT color night vision. This technology captures brighter and more detailed color footage even in low-light environments. Whether you're trying to identify a person's face, clothing, or vehicle details, color footage can provide significantly more useful evidence than traditional monochrome night vision. Many smart security systems require a subscription for advanced AI features. TP-Link includes on-device AI detection directly within the camera. The system can intelligently recognize people, vehicles, pets. This helps reduce false alarms caused by moving leaves, shadows, or other environmental factors. Even better, these AI features work without requiring a monthly subscription. That means smarter notifications and lower long-term ownership costs. One common issue with motion-triggered cameras is that they can miss important events between recordings. The Tapo C675D kit addresses this with 24/7 continuous capture. The camera can capture images at customizable intervals ranging from 1 second to 60 seconds. Additionally, AI-enhanced detection extends monitoring capability up to 60 feet beyond the range of traditional PIR motion sensors. This provides greater awareness of activity around your property and helps ensure fewer missed moments. Connectivity is another area where TP-Link gives users flexibility. The camera supports both 5 GHz Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If your camera is located closer to the router, 5 GHz can provide faster data transmission and smoother performance. For installations farther away, 2.4 GHz offers better range and stronger signal penetration. This flexibility helps maintain stable connectivity in different installation scenarios. Since this is an outdoor security camera, durability matters. The Tapo C675D kit comes with an IP65 weather-resistant rating, allowing it to withstand rain, dust, snow, and harsh outdoor conditions. TP-Link has also included active deterrence features. When motion is detected, built-in red and blue warning lights can activate alongside a siren to discourage potential intruders before a situation escalates. This adds another layer of protection beyond simple video recording. The TP-Link Tapo C675D kit combines several premium security features into one package. Its dual-lens design helps eliminate blind spots. The 360-degree tracking lens actively follows motion. The 4K image quality provides excellent detail. Solar charging reduces maintenance, and the built-in AI detection works without subscription fees. Add in color night vision, continuous capture, dual-band Wi-Fi, and weather-resistant construction, and you get a security camera designed for both convenience and comprehensive coverage. If you're looking for a smart outdoor security camera that offers wide area monitoring, automatic tracking, solar-powered operation, 4K video quality, and advanced AI features without ongoing monthly costs, the TP-Link Tapo C675D kit is definitely worth considering. And if you're planning to pick one up, this is actually a great time to do it. During Prime Day, you can use the code 10C675D to get up to 10% off on top of the already discounted Prime Day price. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your home security setup, make sure to check out the deal before it ends. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tech reviews, smart home gadgets, and security camera comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.